Welcome to the Getting Started with Loftware Cloud Designer video. In this video, we'll go through the setup of your Loftware Cloud Designer. You may have just bought your Loftware Cloud Designer and you're not sure where to start. Let's go through the setup process together. After you purchase Loftware Cloud Designer, your Loftware partner or sales representative or someone from within your organization who has already activated their account sends you an activation email. Go to your email and select Activate Account. Control Center opens in your browser. You will now activate your user account for Loftware Cloud Designer by signing in. You can sign in with your Microsoft or Google account. The activation process works the same in either case. When you sign in, the dashboard view of your Control Center opens. That's it. Once you've signed in, you've activated your Loftware Cloud account. Your dashboard is your starting point for getting started with onboarding tutorials and test printing. Samples, where you can find Loftware and partner label samples you can use as label templates. Help for additional help resources and onboarding tutorials. Product information, where you can see your account name and product edition. License information with the number of printers you have available and reserved. An optional partner section with contact information about your partner. The menu on your left shows all Control Center pages. You can use it to navigate the Control Center. Select Dashboard to see an overview of your Control Center. Select Documents to get access to a centralized storage location for your label templates and other files. Select Printers to see an overview of your printers, printer seat statuses, and print queues. Select Users to see an overview of your users and their last login. After successfully activating your account, you should download and install Desktop Designer and Loftware Print on your computer. On the dashboard, select Download Desktop Designer. When your download completes, go to the Downloads folder on your computer and run the installation file. Select your installation language and then complete the installation wizard steps. Automation is not available in Loftware Cloud Designer, so we recommend you deselect the automation module. If you keep it selected, it will install as a free trial. After successfully installing the desktop applications, you can run Designer or Print on your desktop computer. These applications automatically connect to your Loftware Cloud Designer account, granting you access to your central document storage within the Control Center. When you install the desktop applications, all the printers accessible from your computer are now available on the Printers page in your Control Center. You or any other user of the Loftware Cloud Designer can use them for printing. You should reserve critical printers to ensure that they are always available for printing. To reserve a printer, toggle the option in the Reserved column next to the printer you want to reserve. As an active Loftware Cloud Designer user, you can invite additional users. All users have the same level of permission and can access all Control Center resources and features. To invite new users, go to the Users page and select Invite User. Enter the user's information and select Invite. That's it. The user will receive an invitation email and become active once they activate their Loftware Cloud Designer user account. You can use Web Designer to create and edit label templates directly from the Control Center. To access Web Designer directly from the dashboard, select Create New Label. Because each label has to be connected to a printer, you must select a printer before creating a label template. Select a printer from the drop-down menu and select Create. The Web Designer opens. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your Control Center in the Loftware Cloud Designer. If you need more help using the Control Center, ask your Loftware partner or sales representative to get access to the Loftware Academy for in-depth courses on the Control Center and label design. For more information about Loftware Cloud Designer, contact your partner or visit our website and help pages. Thank you for watching.